Exactly.
You, my brother. Okay, you corrected where you disagree with Yoni, right? No
Exactly.
problem.
Let me go to your question now.
Yeah, no problem. But here's the thing. I love the way you're both being diplomatic because you're both leaders within your people. Half of the people support Yodab. The other half supports Yoni. You see where I'm going with this?
Yeah, there's no problem, of course. I mean,
I love this.
100%.
I love
Of
this. I
course,
could do this. I'd
that's
rather
not,
do this with you two brothers for 10 hours than
yeah,
discuss about how much we hate her and all that other nonsense. My question to you is,
yeah.
I feel, let me give you my personal opinion. Eritrea, Isaias, the government of Eritrea needs to completely leave Ethiopia alone so Ethiopia can build economically. Ethiopia can work on its people. Ethiopia can rebuild its nation and go back. The good thing about the TPLF is economically, Ethiopia was going into the second world stage from the third world stage, right? So one good thing came out of their leadership, economics, right? You can't, if you look at the world GDP, Ethiopia went from 50 billion GDP to 111 GDP all the way to 2021, bro. So my point is, if a size doesn't get involved, do you think, first of all, my first question is, should Eritrea stay the hell out of Ethiopia politics? Yes or no? And why?
Okay. I'm gonna, hopefully we could be diplomatic and we could be civil, right? I'm gonna give you my opinion, and I'm gonna give you based on other countries historically, right? Eritrea has an interest with Ethiopia. We are not. Eritrea is not like Somalia or Sudan. Once upon a time, we were one people.
Eritrea or Isaias?
No, I'm talking about.
Eritrea
Listen.
or Isaias?
Thank you. You got him now.
Isaias.
You're talking about Isaias, not Eritrean people.
Okay.
So talk about Isaias,
let me
man.
respond. If you don't, even though if you don't like it, let me respond.
No, it's not that I don't like it. It's not that I don't like it. It's just Eritrea as the people have a different perspective.
Well, we're not talking about people. We're talking about politics.
No, I know politics. But Isaias wants to Abai Ethiopia. He wants to be the ruler.
Hold on. That's not the question. The question is like, should Eritrea government, because we're not talking about people, Eritrean people do not have a problem with Ethiopian people. People never had a conflict with people, right? It's leaders.
Well, Eritrean government is Isaias. We have one dictator, one ruler.
We have one dictator, Dr. Abiy Ahmed. So there's the same
but
thing.
at least you guys have like some sort of election. We have nothing.
Let me ask you a question. Okay. Would you, you're hungry and you're starving. Would you want somebody to tell you there's no food, or would you want somebody to bring you an empty plate? Which one would you prefer?
Obviously, I would like to eat because I'm going to die if I don't eat.
But what I'm saying is, would you want somebody to tell you I have no food? Or do you want somebody to tell you I have food, but they bring you empty plates? Which one would you prefer?
I have no food.
Exactly. See,
Truth. I have no food.
So in Eritrea, there's no election. So you already know. But in Ethiopia, there's a fake election. So you give people false hope. That's even dangerous because now you think.
Okay. Now that's brilliant. That's a brilliant answer. You know why? What you're telling me is, at least I know what I'm working with.
Exactly. So you know your enemy. Okay, you know your political stand, right? So should Eritrea leave Ethiopia? Okay. Well, who invited the Eritrean government? Who invited it?
We'll go to that. Continue with your answer.
He is supporting Dr. Abiy, the person who paid, and allowed the Eritrean government to come. Before the war, don't forget, Abiy Ahmed took Isaias Afwerki to Debre Zeit and showing him all the weapons. When me and you were, standing for the Tigray people, Abiy Ahmed was working with Isaias Afwerki.
It's just a simple question. Do you support it or not? That's all.
It's politics. You don't respond politics with yes or no.
We're talking about, if you ask me, I'll make it 2 minutes. He can explain for 10 hours.
I'm sorry.
I'll explain for 2 minutes.
No. It's my turn.
Let him do him. He's going to take it like forever.
It's my turn.
It's a simple thing.
See, when you're educated, you got to respond educatedly because you're responding yes or no to a politics. this is not child play, right? You ask me a
It's
very
not yes or no. You can explain it, but you can go round and round.
I'm telling you,
point.
well, it's a yes or no answer. It's a yes or no. It depends the circumstance. If Eritreans feel like that their existential border,
He make it specific. Isaias Afwerki has to involve or not in Ethiopian politics.
He's already involved.
No, in your opinion, he said from now on,
At this
do
point.
you want Isaias at this moment? And from now on, do you want Isaias Afwerki to involve in Ethiopian politics? That's the question, man.
After this peace treaty.
Just answer after the peace.
I'm gonna respond this.
Okay.
So now Isaias Afwerki and the Amara people are working together. We no longer want Isaias Afwerki to get involved. But for the last 5 years, Dr. Abiy used Isaias Afwerki and his government, right,